Don't do this with your kids or you're sure to lose custody. Hello, I'm Bobby Dale Barina, and I've been practicing family law for 30 years. And in that time, I've seen thousands of custody cases, and I have learned a lot of valuable lessons in that. One of the most valuable lessons is do not speak bad or negative about the child's other parent. And that parent could be an ex-spouse. It could be somebody who's not an ex-spouse that you're in a family law custody arrangement in. But if you speak negative about that child, the judge will know that the child will take that to heart, and it will begin to eat away at that child's self-confidence, that child will begin to be alienated from the other parent. And the judge's rules are very specific to promote a healthy environment that both parents are actively involved in that child's life. If you start talking bad about the other parent, the judge will find out. A skilled litigator will collect that evidence presented to the court. Now, we had a story, and our story was about a client. We got into court and we were able to show the judge that our client had been the recipient of negative comments made for years. When the comments started off, the children were 8 years old. By the time the client decides they're going to attempt to put an end to this, to give that child a more loving environment, the children were 13. They definitely felt the effects of these negative comments and this continued assault upon someone who was their parent. It ate away at their self-confidence. They didn't want to be involved. They didn't want to be in the middle of this custody fight. And the judge made quick work out of it. We were expecting an 8 or 9 hour hearing over multiple days. But after a few hours, the judge just, for some reason, spontaneity or some insight, asked the other parent, have you been doing these things? The parent answered honestly, knowing we had the evidence, yes. And that was the end of that. The judge changed conservatorship. Now the children live full-time with my client. And the reason for that is simply because the other person couldn't stop denigrating and saying nasty things about my client. Now, if you'd like to talk further about things that you can do and shouldn't do in a custody case, drop me a line, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about it. Thank you.